Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will unbox another headset from HyperX. This is the HyperX Cloud Mix. By the way, this is not sponsored. I bought those headset with my own money. Actually, everything that I own from the HyperX, I bought it myself. So this video is not sponsored. Anyway, I bought this new set of headset because the other ones from HyperX Cloud 2S were very old. As you could see, the headset are very old. I have these for about 4 years. The battery is not holding anymore, so I needed to make them and to connect them via the USB cable and keep them connected in order to keep gaming or keep working. So that's why I bought some other ones. So as I am here with you guys, so I am planning to unbox those and see what we have in the box. So without any further ado, let's see what we have here. As you could see, those are Bluetooth. They have the chip from Qualcomm with a low latency. This means zero latency in hearing the music. Okay, so up to 20 hours of battery time. What do we have here? So it's a durable aluminum frame, detachable noise cancelling mic, built-in mic for wireless, intuitive onboard controls for Bluetooth mode. Yeah, as I said, without any further ado, let's see what we have here. For sure we need to cut this from here to unbox those, and let's see what we have in the box. So we have a very good packaging, as you could see. As you could probably know, HyperX have been bought in 2021 by HP, and HP is planning to do the same thing with HyperX as Dell has been done with Alienware. So yeah, so let's see what we have here. So in this box we have a couple of flyers from HyperX, and we have memories, SSDs. I have SSD, I have mouse, keyboard I don't want yet, a headset. Yeah, so yeah, let's see what we have here also. We have some controls, cables. I hope that is not mini USB, those. Just I believe that should be the connection to the headset. I hope that it is through Type-C and not mini USB. So we have the mic here, as you could see. It's the same mic like the previous one that I have, Cloud Orbit S. Okay, and these are the headsets. Good. Yeah, I have yet a mini USB. Okay, so here is the mic setup. Okay, I don't know if it's here or here. Yeah, this is it. Here you should insert the mic. This is how they look. I have a really big head, so it will be maximum on my side. Okay, so the headsets. Let's see what we have in the box. What else? Yeah, we have these. And here I presume that we have the cables. Yay! So those are the cables. This is the pouch. HyperX branded, as you could see. Transport pouch. I would have been wishing for a hard case for transport, not this one. And we have the cable, yay, which is braided, by the way. Okay, let's see what we have it. So the headset are here. I'll put it there. We have the charging cable, which is pretty small. Yeah, let's see what we have. Yeah, it's around 50 centimeters. Yeah, this is it, just to have some perspective. I have bigger ones for sure. That could help me in this matter. And here we have the braided cable. And I believe that this is the extension cable. Yeah, it's good that we have those. Okay, let's also take out the sleeve. Okay, so those are the HyperX Cloud Mix. I'm still in need to came back with an review. Okay, let's see what we have here. Focus. HyperX S-Cam. And here, so Kensington. It seems that actually these HyperX Cloud Mix in 2023 December are from the old stock, produced by Kingston and not by HP, which is really good because I am pleased of the materials that we have here, because I have some others from HP side which are HyperX Cloud 2 that we have it here, and I believe that those are from HP, as you could see, and the quality overall are satisfactory, let's say. Not great, but I don't think that they will last me so much. So yeah, without further ado, thank you for watching this. If you like it, please like it. If you don't like it, dislike it. If you want to comment or to ask me something, please do it in the comment section. Also, I will come back with a review of those headset, and please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. As I said, it's not sponsored. So thank you for viewing. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye.